So, guys, welcome to the Thanos World Japan. Welcome to the air. Today we're gonna play about mod. I finally have his name Corgi. And this one's cute. Dang, that guy is gonna play. I need to pray, bro. So now all the boys are only blue now. And this guy. Bro, my whole guy. RIP. Bro, who bought this on, bro? Just break our door. But it's fine. I can't do anything besides this. What's this shit up? Yo, I buy all the potion now. What are you gonna do? Bro! Nice! I got Obsidian Prince now. GG, guys. Now, see you later. See you tomorrow. Bye!